Alright, so my relay starter switch relay, giving me a fit. This is it right here. It's very simple to change. There's not a lot to it. You want to swap it out. First thing you want to do when you're dealing with any kind of electricity is always disconnect the battery. Have not done that yet. Once that's 10 millimeter. Could be wrong. It's a 10. So all I'm going to do is disconnect the positive. You don't need to disconnect the whole thing. Alright. See, that's out of the picture. That was a picking up 10 millimeter. Maybe it goes that way. 10 millimeter. Alright. Got two bolts. One's right there. The other one is right there. Now the sides of mine are already gone. So I don't have to worry about that. And this is also a 10 millimeter. Putting on that first one. I've had to do this before. This is the second time I think doing this. All the way out. A little bolt. Put it right there next to the key. And let me get in here. Can you see it? Right there. It's like in that mangled mess of wires. Sounds like somebody doing some shooting. So I can get it out by hand. Come on out. It's stuck. Still stuck. Come on out. There you go. Alright, I'm gonna leave them right there. Once it's out, it kind of pulls out. As you can see, this is the positive from the battery. This one is. This one goes to the starter. Basically, you can bypass this by connecting these two. But you can also electrocute yourself. These two little wires right here, they just simply pull off. Nothing to them. Don't get them confused though. Remember, black's on the left or towards the back, and I think that's blue. I can't really tell. I know it's a different color. I don't know what color it is, but I think it's blue. It might be purple. It goes to the front or to the right. Take these two little prongs off here. I believe they're a 12 millimeter. Check. They are not a 12. Let's try 13. Keep in mind I'm doing this one-handed. 13 millimeter. Oh no! Dropped it. Goes. This one goes to, remember, the one furthest from the mower goes to the battery. I'm sure if you get these wrong, it won't start. Super simple. Put that right there next to the other two. And then this one, if I can get in there. Now let's try a socket. I have a 13 millimeter socket. Put it right there. Everything's laid out together. Pull it off. And then just simply pull out. There it is. The old relay. Now, that top one was also a 13mm. Pull all the grass off of it. Alright, nothing to it. But to do it, we're going to put it back together. I think this time I'm going to do it a little differently. Put the new one back in. See if I can go with it one-handed. Oh no! As I crash it into the grass. I feel like it might be easier if I put it back on there and then bolt everything down. It could be easier. So I'm going to take this, put it right there. There's a little bitty hole where it goes. You can't really miss it. Like I said, that is a, it's showing up, the sun, 10mm. So I'm not gonna get it tight. I'm just kind of gonna get it in there. I'll bolt it up tight here in a second. Alright, that way I can move this to where it needs to go. And there's a little hole line up. Right. I can get there to it. Where my finger's at, it's right there beside it. Right there. Take your other one. Put it in there. Line it up. Bolt it back on there. Make sure you don't pinch anything. There's a lot of wires right here in a little area. And actually one of these goes to the positive. This one does, so you don't really want to short anything out, so don't pinch any wires. I really don't want to go in there fighting me. Oh, the wrong way. Nothing's pinched. I'm going to go ahead and snug it down. That way it don't move whenever I put the other two back on there. That's that. I think I'm going to be. Alright, now I'm going to do it in the reverse order. This is the starter closest to the mower. Remember, it's a 13mm. Get it on here. See, we got 13mm. Got them up here next to the key. Get it right here. Put it back on there. Snug it down. That's good. Now the negative, or the positive battery, I'm sorry, positive terminal, put it there. There's our little bolt, or a little nut, I'm sorry, a little nut. And put it back on there. And line this back up that way. You could probably relocate this if you wanted to, but you just got to remember how to keep the wires in order. I'm not really that worried about it. It's a little snug, but as much as you actually change it, it's not that bad. Okay. And then purple goes to this one. I think that's purple. It might be blue. I'm not sure. and black right there. And you're all hooked up. And I don't like how snug that is, but it's alright. And hook your battery back up. And this is a 10 millimeter. You see that? 10 millimeter. Man. One-handed, I'm not very good at this. That is tight. Let's see how we did. I think we're neutral. That's all I needed it to do. Alright, that's it. Thank you much.